we're going to talk about instant graphical user interface solutions from future designs. But first, let's look at the fundamental question of why you need a new user interface. Thanks to the iPhone and various other smartphone devices, customer expectations for user interfaces have changed. The monochrome, character-based LCDs and button-style keypads from the 80s are no longer acceptable. In today's market, even embedded products need a sleek, stylish, graphical user interface. In fact, studies have shown that the micro-easy, pronounced Muse, GUI family from future designs. Today we're going to talk about instant graphical user interface solutions from future designs. But first, the micro-easy, pronounced Muse, GUI family from future designs provides an instant solution for. In the Muse GUI family, we offer multiple processor options, including ARM7, ARM9, and Cortex-M. The Muse GUI-2478-43 WQS was our first production version and is based on the popular 4.3-inch wide QVG. In the Muse GUI family, we offer multiple processor options, including ARM7. The Muse GUI-20 printed circuit board assembly is 100% surface mount to reduce complexity and manufacturing costs. As a matter of fact, our cost analysis study showed that the LQFP package versus the micro BGA